See, greater Calgary area kind of ban raha hai sara. So we are looking at this particular house.
And I lost $60,000. No condo fees.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. आज की वीडियो में हम आए हैं South East. A lot of you guys know that we bought a house in Calgary, in South East, in Seaton. So we are around that area, and I'm going to show you what you can buy in less than $500,000 or around the $500,000. And why $500,000? Because बहुत सारे लोगों की जो eligibility होती है Ontario के अंदर वो उतनी ही होती है. And what I want to show is that what you can buy for you to live in. This is not an investment video. Investment properties की हमने पिछली बार भी बनाई थी. This is more for you if you are taking a call on coming into Calgary from Ontario or BC, because your affordability is low. Today is all about showing those homes which will be right up your alley, and you know it will fit the pocket, and the payments will not be high. The interest rates are very high right now. So this is purely for people who want to move to Calgary and they want to be first time home buyers, or they want to live in a house that they can actually call their own and not as an investment. So let's get started. All right, so we are looking at this particular house. It's a semi-detached house. Hopewell is the builder. They are one of the best builders, if not the best, alongside Brookfield in Calgary. So let's go and see this particular model. बहुत ही सुंदर door है, and we will also meet Rachel in a bit, who will be showing us around the home. All right, so we have the closet here, and we have Rachel here.
Hi, Nev.
All right, Rachel, just show us around. So tell us a little bit about this house and the facts, how much this costs.
Sure.
How big is it? And then we'll go around.
Cool. This is a semi-detached home. We're just under 1,700 square feet above grade. In Calgary, we measure just the main and upper floor, so above the dirt level is 1,700 square feet. This is a really cool model. This one has 3 bedrooms upstairs plus a bonus room, main floor flex room right over here.
Yeah, that's the office, so you can change it in a bedroom as well.
Right? This one also has a built-in office, so you really could get a proper 4 bedrooms out of this home. Very open concept layout. Let's take a look.
All right, so that's a beautiful kitchen. Are these all upgrades, or how much would it cost if I were to take the house as is, or the basic one?
So including all of these upgrades, we'd probably be sitting around $493,000. This is very possible on the resale market, but something to keep in mind is that we have very low supply right now. So although this is very much in your budget, it might take a while to see one pop up.
So that's the formal living room, which is beautiful. All right, that's the powder room.
So if we take a look outside, you're going to see that at this price point, you get a private fenced yard.
Nice.
And there will be space. It does not include a garage, but there will be a garage pad for you to build a future garage there.
Awesome. That's great. So that's the office look that Rachel was talking about. So that's pretty good. You can actually use that one as an office and this one if you need to, but you can just change that into a room and use this one as an office. Let's go up. Oh, you got a flex room as well here. Nice.
Absolutely. We have a main floor bonus. So
Nice.
a little tip and trick about buying something in Calgary is Calgarians love their bonus rooms. So when you're purchasing a home here, it's important to make sure it has a bonus room. It's a big deal for resale.
Yeah, that's amazing. So that's the bonus room. You have the TV here. What's that?
This is the laundry room.
Oh, wow.
So upstairs laundry is another thing that's in hot demanding.
Yeah. No, in Ontario too, but you don't find those homes in Ontario, right?
Yeah.
So this one is the master bedroom now. Beautiful. This is the king size bed here, and then you have the washroom, dual sinks. Wow, the closet is in the bathroom.
Right.
Love it. Right, we have 2 more rooms here. That's the common bathroom, very standard. You have the nursery. Nice big closet. And then you have the 3rd bedroom. Nice.
So at this price point, we do have a basement, but it's not finished. It's definitely something that you can think about adding after you've purchased. Definitely talk to your mortgage broker about a purchase plus improvements mortgage, and you can get it done after the fact.
All right, perfect. So the basement would have a separate entrance because it's semi-detached.
This one does.
Okay.
Not all have a separate entrance, but this one actually does.
All right, that's awesome. All right, so we just saw this one. Now we'll see this one. This one is a little bit smaller, a little bit cheaper. Yes, 1,700 square feet. This one is about 1,300 square feet. So we'll just go inside and see this particular house. All right, Rachel, how big is this one?
This one is 1264.
Okay, 1264. Okay.
Yes. So this one starts at 448. So,
Oh wow, that's 50,000 lower, roughly.
right? And the really cool thing about this one is if you did want to do a house hack, you would come in just over 500. And we actually have the suite to show you in this one.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So that's the floor plan, which is beautiful. All right, that's the living room, that's the kitchen. It actually doesn't look very small.
It doesn't.
We have a TV in the kitchen. Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I had been asking for a floor plan like this where we could really, really drive budget and
Yeah.
make it super affordable and still be able to do a house hack.
Makes sense. Makes sense. That's the jacket closet. You have like a backyard here.
Yeah, private
That's-
back here.
The half bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. We go up now.
Roll up. Yeah. Let me run ahead of you. I'm gonna
All right.
So master bedroom. This is a king size bed, if you can believe it.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Walk-in closet. Attached
Awesome.
4-piece ensuite.
Nice view. I was actually expecting it to be a lot smaller,
Yeah.
but I think what it misses is the entertainment area.
That's right. Bonus rooms out.
Yeah.
So upstairs laundry right beside the master bedroom.
Nice. That's amazing. And that's the third bedroom. It's not very different from the other one. I think it's the only difference is the bonus room upstairs.
That's right.
Yeah. $448,000 including the upgrades or excluding?
Probably closer to 470, not including the basement development.
Okay.
But yeah, very, very affordable.
So the
no
basement-
condo fees.
Yeah, no condo fees. And the basement has a unit here?
You bet.
Okay.
We're gonna end up just over 5 if we were to do the house hack.
Nice. And if you add a little bit, this is a separate entrance and we go down. Wow, cute.
Isn't it?
Yeah. That's the bathroom. Hello. Wow, nice.
This is absolutely
How
perfect.
big is the basement?
I believe it's like just under 600.
Okay.
But this is absolutely perfect for a little long-term rental or even better, a little Airbnb.
Airbnb, yeah. Well, I can imagine if you're living upstairs and you do the Airbnb downstairs. You said that this would cost about $500,000 with the finished basement, right?
We're probably going to be in around 520.
Okay.
All done with the house hack. But again, as you know, Nav, if we add the basement, we can get over 5.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. Amazing. Nice big window. So, Rachel, I want to know, so why not condos? Like, we are looking at houses which are less than $500,000. The two houses that we saw are semi-detached, they are freeholds. The houses that we'll be seeing are freehold, all 500,000. But why should someone not buy a condo for, let's say, 250, 300?
Yeah, I get that question all the time. A lot of people coming from Vancouver and Toronto, they've experienced a lot of upside on condos that they've purchased and they want to do the same thing here. Unfortunately, we just don't have that type of upside in Calgary. One of the things that prevents us is legislation. We have legislation regarding condo insurance that makes it really tough for us to get lower condo fees and therefore higher prices. And so we don't see a lot of price increases in condos. In fact, what I tell people is I've never met a condo owner in 17 years in this business who said, I'm so glad I bought that condo. They often lose money. The condo fees go nothing but up. They're really hard to sell in the end. It's you know, I usually tell the story of the condo that I owned for 15 years and I lost $60,000 off the purchase price after 15 years of owning it. So they don't have the same amount of upside. And also, if you want to have the freedom to do things like Airbnb, we can't be in a condo. If you want to have more freedom in general, condos are really tough.
But the associations actually can put restrictions on short-term
Absolutely.
rentals anytime. So that's the other thing, right? So plus, you know, if you can buy this for 450,
Why wouldn't you?
Why not, right?
Right? Absolutely.
That's awesome. So we saw 2 houses in Southeast. अब हम जा रहे हैं Belmont, which is in Southwest, and वहाँ पे जाके भी 2 घर ऐसे ही देखेंगे. The intent again is to show you what you can buy under $500,000 for you to live in. And invest भी करना है तब भी कर सकते हो, but investment के लिए I would highly recommend that you buy something which is a duplex, which is similar to the house that we bought with Brookfield. But yeah, let's go to Belmont now. It's about 15 kilometers, and look at a few houses in Southwest of Calgary. All right, one more thing. जो हमने अभी पीछे घर देखे थे वो obviously pre-construction थे. The intent of this video is not to tell you that you should buy pre-construction. In fact, मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि pre-construction अभी नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. But the only reason why we showed you a pre-construction house is that ऐसे वाले घर जो होते हैं वो भी 500 से कम मिल जाते हैं. इनफैक्ट यू माइट गेट समथिंग फॉर अंडर 450 इवन, जैसा घर हमने देखा था. इट्स जस्ट दैट इसकी जो परमिशन होती है शूट करने की वो आसानी से मिल जाती है. द हाउस दैट वी आर सीइंग राइट नाउ, दिस इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड न्यू, एंड आई थिंक सो इट्स अ ब्रांड न्यू हाउस. बट अगेन द इंटेंट इज कि इससे कम में, so 450 500 से कम में you will get a semi-detached house in Calgary, which we can't even think of in BC and Ontario, not at least in the GTA region. And ये सारे जो areas मैं दिखा रहा हूँ ये सब 30 minutes to downtown है, and they are not, you know, like they are very well connected, all these areas. And ये जैसे Greater Toronto area है ना, वैसे ही Greater Calgary area kind of बन रहा है सारा. So that's where, you know, I think for the future, if you are thinking of moving to Calgary, all these areas could be a good one, and you get something which is under budget. You know, which is always the right thing to do. All right, so now we are in Belmont, which is in Southwest, and we are looking at this particular house. Actually, इसकी entrance वहाँ से है, but वो locked है. This is a semi-detached again, so we are just going inside. And we have the house, and we have Rachel.
So we are in Belmont now. We're in the southwest side of Calgary. We're close to Spruce Meadows. We're close to the LRT. So lots of great amenities in this community. This is a super cute house. We're semi-detached, no condo fees, coming in at about $494,000. Unfinished basement, no garage. Again, you can add those at a later date. I love this model. This is a really open concept.
Nice.
Yeah.
We have a formal dining space. How big is this? 15?
1523. I love that they got this little office in here.
Oh, nice.
Little work from home
Small,
space. Yeah.
There's a window as well.
Yeah. Feels very warm and
Love it.
cozy.
1523 square feet, right?
1523 square feet. I love the length of this island.
Yeah,
It
it's
feels
lovely.
like a lot of counter space, a lot of storage.
Yeah.
And again, at this price, you're going to be getting a private backyard with a fenced grassed area. Now, this is showing with the garage, but at this price, there would not be a garage there.
Ah, okay. There's a detached garage. Okay. Got it. And that's the powder room. Wow, big, large window.
I love this.
Yeah.
It's so warm and inviting.
That's the bonus room.
Again, so important. This is really why I'm selecting ones with bonus room, just underscoring for Calgary buyers how important it is to get that bonus room if you can.
Yeah, and that's the master bedroom. Again, a king. This is a queen size bed, but it can easily fit a king size bed.
For sure.
Yeah. That's the Juliet balcony. The clothes don't come with the house. And that's the beautiful bathroom. I like the fact that they have a shower. And then this right here is the second bathroom upstairs. We have the laundry.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah. And then we have the bedroom. Decent sized, I think a double bed or a queen size bed would fit in.
For sure.
And then the nursery. Slightly smaller than the other bedroom,
Yeah.
but pretty decent for a nursery.
Yeah.
Alright, so right next door is the other unit, which is called the Jade. And this one is smaller, right?
This one's smaller, so we're in the 1300s now. Price point drops a little bit. So we're at $485 for this one.
Okay. So the desk is not there. This is for the builder. So this is like a dining area here.
Yep.
That we can have.
Table.
And beautiful wallpaper. A nice living room. Kitchen is obviously slightly smaller with a smaller island, but obviously it's a smaller unit as well. And then you have the powder room with a nice wallpaper. And we have the backyard. that's the master bedroom. That's the bathroom. No shower in the bathroom, but we have a pretty big, decent walk-in closet.
Right. With this one, we got that larger walk-in closet, and we also got a walk-in laundry room.
Oh, okay. That's a bigger laundry room. And this is the second master bedroom, which is massive actually. Oh, that's the...
This is the 2 master bedroom style. So both...
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so both rooms would have a private ensuite and a walk-in
So
closet.
there are 2 bedrooms in this one.
2 bedrooms up. You can build it as a 3. As a rule,
Okay.
I don't recommend building the 2-bedroom models because they're tougher on resale.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good option for people who are buying for themselves. But yeah, obviously resale is another thing that we need to take care of.
Yeah.
But I like the fact that this is a 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
Just for diversity.
Very different.
Yeah. So there's obviously no common bathroom.
Yep. They each have their own.
Yeah, makes sense. That's good. And that was the video. I hope you liked the video. Guys, the intent was that a lot of people were asking, अगर हम Calgary move होते हैं Ontario से, BC से, बहुत सारे मेरे clients हैं जो कि इतने afford नहीं कर सकते, because in 500, 550, all you get is a condo in Ontario. That to a small one, that to an old one, unless you move very far from GTA. And that's the reason why I wanted to make this video on what you can get under $500,000 in Calgary. And these are all very good upcoming communities. This is not center of Calgary. I'm not saying this is center of Calgary, but this is 30 minutes to Calgary. And if you can get something for in 400s, something that's actually this big, with like an office corner and 3 bedrooms or a 2-bedroom like we saw, here, I think it's a win for anyone who is looking to buy for themselves. So yeah, if you have any questions, if you want to book a call with me, if you want Rachel to be your realtor, just reach out to me. My link is in the description below. मैं calls करता हूँ. All you need to do is just submit a couple of documents and we just go from there. That's all I have for today. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए bye bye.